Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll share with you my favorite recipes of pancakes. These pancakes are super delicious, super fluffy as well and moist inside, perfect for any breakfast. So let's get started. So this was my recipe of how to make super fluffy and super moist pancakes. They're super delicious, very easy to make. You can add any toppings from like whipped cream with mixed berries or maybe maple syrup with some walnuts or any nuts. Or even dried fruits, why not? I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday a new and interesting recipe. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.